Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit contact icon and pick the camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see here, we can decide either if we want to take a photo, and this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, because your device will open the camera app, so you'll be able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And right now we have to decide where we want to complete the action, and I usually pick the gallery. So we just entered the gallery, and all you have to do right now is to simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Here you have to also decide where you want to crop this photo, and this time I will use the Google Photos, of course, allow all of the permissions. And as you can see, here we've got the previously chosen photo, and right now you can change the size and the position of the square. And thanks to this, you can decide what you will see after you're saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So let me make it smaller and try to find the face. What's more, you can zoom in or out the photo, so it's up to you. Of course, you can rotate it here by using the switcher. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on Save Copy, and remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, because without that your device won't save the changes. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied to the contact, and after getting back you can also see it on the contact list and whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.